Hi, my name is Stephen Fielding. I'm the director at the Revere Office of Elder Affairs in the Rossetti-Cowan Senior Center, and I welcome you all to the 2019 Health Awareness Day. As you can see, we have a great number of folks here who are exhibiting here, and we have a lot of vendors from healthcare providers to the Revere Fire and Police. We're registering people to vote. We have a lot of caregivers. We have the Alzheimer's Association, so we have a lot of folks. So why don't I step over here, and I'm going to introduce one person from Caregiver Homes, and this is Nora Mora. Hi, Nora. How are you?
Hi, how you doing? Good, and you?
Good, very good. Thank you for coming. I think you've been here about 4 or 5 years, right?
Correct, that's correct.
And why don't you tell the folks at home what you do and what your organization does?
Well, Caregiver Home is a program through Mass Health, and we provide support to caregivers who are taking care of a loved one at home.
That's great, and we hope to expand in Revere, and I know you do come down to the senior center quite a bit, and we'd like to see more of you.
Yeah, that is correct. We wanted to educate the community about this program. So Caregiver Homes, you can call them at 866-797-2337. Thank you.
That's great, and thank you for coming. I appreciate it. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm here with Susan Cummings and June Lewis from Cummings Physical Therapy. How are you doing, ladies?
We're doing fine, thank you.
Why don't you tell us a little about Cummings Physical Therapy, your locations, and what you're all about?
Okay, we have 2 locations. One is in Revere at 425 Revere Street, and the second location is 6 Bartlett Road in Winthrop, Mass. We take most insurances. We do pre-op rehab and post-op rehab for surgeries. We also help with gait and balance for elderly people or people who have brain injuries. We're really the movement specialists.
So one of the things that I just want people in Revere to know is your location in Revere is right near Billy T's, right?
Yes.
So that's how everybody knows where you are.
Exactly, and there's parking behind the building.
So in your opinion, what is the most challenging physical ailment that people have? Is it because of knee replacements or hip replacements or falls?
I think it really depends on the time of the year. Like, we've been seeing a lot of knee replacements right now.
Right.
In the wintertime, it's a lot of gait and balance for the elderly people.
Right.
September, it's usually sports for the young kids. We do pediatrics.
Right. So I think this is your 3rd or 4th time here at our health fair, and I'm sure you go to many different ones throughout the area, right?
Yeah, we try to. We also saw a lot of falls, a lot of fractures from the winter, people falling on ice. So it's just, we try to teach them awareness and proper footwear and things like that to help.
We also do fall risk. We're going to be scheduling one here in the fall.
Great.
For the elderly people to come in. We do an assessment with them,
Right.
give them pointers or whether they need physical therapy. We do it at the Winthrop Senior Center, usually in the fall also.
Yes.
So we do 2 different oones.
That's great, and I thank you for coming today and being part of this.
Thank you.
Okay.
you.
Okay.
The Winthrop phone number is 617-846-0832, and Revere is 781-284-7597.
Hi, I'm here with Jeff Stone. Jeff is the director of the North Suffolk Public Health Collaborative. How are you, Jeff?
Good. How are you, Steve?
Very good. So I first of all want to thank you for being part of our 2019 Health Awareness Day. Why don't you tell folks at home, basically, in summary, what your organization does?
Well, about 3 years ago, the mayor of Revere, the city manager of Chelsea, and the town manager of Winthrop decided to create this new initiative for the 3 communities to look for opportunities to collaborate on some of their public health work. All 3 communities have public health nurses and boards of health, but they felt that there are some concerns we share, like the vaping epidemic now, youth mental health issues, child overweight and obesity issues. And there are some opportunities where the 3 communities could design programs and work together to address some of those things.
That's wonderful, and I think it's great that there's a regional communication going on between everybody, and that certainly each city and/or town can share information.
Exactly. And there's an emphasis now in the state. They're trying to get adjacent communities to work together on some of these health issues.
Jeff, is there one major initiative that you're working on that kind of supersedes everything else that's going on out there?
Actually, yes, right now, besides the vaping epidemic, which we're convening people on from all three communities, we're doing a major community health needs assessment for all three communities, and we're involving all the major health providers, the hospitals like Mass General, Cambridge Health Alliance, Beth Israel Deaconess Healthcare, even Melrose Wakefield Hospital, and East Boston Neighborhood Health Center, and other agencies are all working together to try to figure out what the priority health issues are looking over the next 3 years so we can plan ahead and to meet the needs of the residents.
And I know our senior participants here at the Rossetti-Cowan Senior Center have filled out a survey form, and I'm sure you've done that in other cities and towns. And that's certainly going to help you in directing your efforts, right?
That's right. And one of the issues that's come out of this community health needs assessment is housing. It's of concern to all three communities. Affordable housing, staying in your home, not being dislocated, because housing in the whole Boston area has just become so expensive. So we're going to look at maybe opportunities for the three communities to try to help residents on housing.
Well, thank you for coming today. Appreciate you, and good luck in all the efforts that your organization does.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, I'm with Catherine Taylor. She is with the Alzheimer's Association. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Great, and I thank you and Grace for coming today. It's a wonderful to
Thank
have
you for
here.
having us. Yeah, it's awesome.
So why don't you tell us basically what your organization does and how you can help people who are struggling or need information about Alzheimer's or dementia?
Yeah, of course. So the Alzheimer's Association is an organization that helps bring awareness and advocate for individuals living with dementia and Alzheimer's. We have a 24/7 hour hotline, which is 800-272-3900, and this just answers any questions individual has about living with Alzheimer's or someone they know who has Alzheimer's, as well as directing us to the services we provide and also help we can provide for them.
And I just want to tell the folks at home that recently we had an Alzheimer's workshop here at the Senior Center, and it was very, very well attended. And I know that Camille Pacini, our Ciambelli, our program coordinator, is in the process of having you guys come back, and they're going to talk about the 10 signs of identifying if you have Alzheimer's or are in the process of getting Alzheimer's.
Yeah, we actually have a lot of events that help to promote healthy aging and healthy living, as well as just recognizing the signs that one may begin to have Alzheimer's. And so I think Christine Bonnell, the regional manager, is in the works to help create a workshop for that.
All right, well, thank you again for coming, and I'm sure it's pretty busy here, so I'm sure you have to run back, right?
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
I'm here with Officer Jerry Salvati from the Revere Police Community Services Division, and he's here at the Health Awareness with retired Officer Carl Bajoli, and it's great to have you back.
Steve, it's a pleasure to be in here. You do a wonderful job here. I can't thank you for enough involving us, the police department. As you know, we have the police academy coming up for the seniors. It's going to be wonderful for them. They're wonderful people, and they'll get a lot of education out of it. The chief, Captain O'Hara, are very excited about this program going forward. We're looking for actually starting Thursday morning, right?
Right.
So we're really, really excited about it. Myself and Carl Bajol, retired. But we really can't thank you for getting us involved. We love working with the community, and really enjoy working with you, Steve.
So if anybody wants to contact you, right, at the satellite office that you have on Pleasant Street.
Yes.
What's the number there?
The number there is 781-629-3627. Or you can reach me by my email. It's jsalvati, S-A-L-V-A-T-I, @reverepolice.org.
Well, you guys do a wonderful job. I know you've been down here many times talking about scams and helping seniors identify theft issues and how safety is really important in their home, how to prevent falls, all that kind of stuff. So it's great you're here.
Thank you very much.
And as Officer Salvati said, we have a brand new program, or I don't have the program, he does. And
with your cooperation,
Yep.
and you're helping us through every step here. It's fantastic.
It is. It's great. It's called the Revere Police Senior Citizen Police Academy. It's kind of a branch of the regular Citizens Academy that you run every year. So
Yes.
it's great.
Thank
So again, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Always a pleasure.
All right. Hi, I'm here with Bianca Maraquin, and she's a representative and outreach coordinator for Neighborhood PACE in Revere. which is now located, if you're not aware of by now, where the old Matola post used to be. So how are you today?
Good, and yourself?
Very good. So Bianca is here with East Boston Neighborhood Health Center as well, but she's going to tell us a little about what PACE can do for seniors.
Well, basically our purpose is, to help our seniors, anyone that's over 55, keep themselves safe at home and give them all the needs that they would need for their medical services. We have a couple of sites. We have one in Revere, we have one in Winthrop, and one in East Boston, and that's where we give all our services. But if you need any help at home, we also provide that at home.
And it's a wonderful organization. They certainly help a lot of people. They have a lot of Revere residents that go to PACE. So why don't you give a phone number so that if anybody's interested, they'll be able to contact PACE and get some information sent to them or arrange an interview or an appointment, okay?
Yes. So our number is 617-568-6377. So you can call us, but and if you speak Spanish, you can call me directly at 617-568-6425.
Why did you say that in Spanish? So if somebody doesn't speak English, they'll...
Si usted habla español, me puede llamar a mí directamente. Mi número es 617-568-6425.
Gracias. Muy bien.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm here with Pat Simpson of MGH Health Center. How are you doing, Pat?
Hi, nice to be here.
Why don't you tell the audience what you do at Health Center?
Sure. I work for MGH Revere Healthcare Center. I'm the Emergency Preparedness Coordinator, as well as I help to run the Senior Wellness Program at MGH Revere.
So at this healthcare center, what exactly do you do at the center to teach people how to prevent falls, how to exercise properly, how to take care of their physical therapy, etc.?
So I do a lot of education around being prepared for emergencies. For example, having important documents in case you had to evacuate, tornado care, storms, having extra cash on hand, being safe. And we do a lot of education with staff as well as the community around that.
And you're located at 300 Ocean Ave, right? The pink building,
Yeah.
right next to the boulevard. It's the next street over, right?
We're right on the beach.
So I think you've been here for a couple of these health
Yes,
fairs, right?
yes, these are wonderful, wonderful opportunities
And
to
I
share information.
And we have many residents that use your facility,
Yes,
obviously.
yes, we share a lot of residents, and it's a pleasure, just a pleasure.
And I have to tell you, we have a great relationship with MGH because they have an arch network that we cooperate with, and they provided us with computers and a computer class.
Yes, yes, we do a lot of work together with you. We really enjoy it. Thank you.
All right, well, thank you for coming this year.
Thank you. Take care.
Okay.
The phone number for MGH Revere Healthcare Center is 781-485-6000.
I'm here with Carol Donovan. Carol is the public health nurse for the city of Revere. Welcome, Carol.
Hello.
Thank you for coming to our 2019 Health Awareness Day. Before I get into asking her any questions, I want seniors to know that Carol is here twice a month. Usually it's in the newsletter, or if you call the center, it's 781-286-8156. You'll be able to know what days she will be at the center. She usually comes in around 11:30, right?
11 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
So why don't you tell us what you do in regard to the blood pressure clinics and taking readings for the folks?
Sure. I do one-on-one. You sit down in front of me, take your blood pressure, tell me your problems and questions, and I'll answer as best as I can. I'm here 11 to 12, probably 2 Thursdays a month, but they, like Steve said, they have the schedule. If you want specific questions or to talk to me, you can call me at 781-485-8470, and I'm there full-time Monday through Friday.
Why don't you just kind of give people at home a quick idea of what you do out in the community, because I know you do a lot of outreach as well.
I do. I, as public health nurse, I do surveillance of contagious diseases, so if you get sick, the state will report it to me. I'll call you on the phone and I'll talk to you. I will
you can visit me or I can visit you for blood pressure or for any other medical issues. You can call me up for questions that your doctor might have asked or that you might have for your doctor or me. I work with the community as you need, so if you need help, call me.
Well, Carol, again, I thank you for every month that you come here, and I know that the seniors certainly appreciate it, and I certainly appreciate you being part of this today.
I love it. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, I'm here with Henry Wilson. He's the outreach coordinator at CAPIC, and thank you for coming, Henry.
Thank you for having me, Steve.
And you're fairly new at CAPIC, right?
It's 8 months I've been there at CAPIC. This is a new program, outreach program coordinator. CAPIC has a lot of programs, but my primary position there is to inform people of the fuel assistance program they offer there, as well as the weatherization and the heating and the AMP program they offer at CAPIC as well. So it's a great program. I'm excited to be here. I'm on vacation right now, but I'm still working in the community, helping people out.
I want your mind to be here, not on some beach someplace.
No, I want to be at home right now, painting, skating, doing something like that outside right now. But I'm here. I'm happy.
So it's great that you're an outreach coordinator for CAPIC. They're so involved in the community. There's so many people that need help. What would you say the two or three primary areas of assistance people need?
Definitely fuel assistance. Housing is another program we offer there. And also fuel assistance, housing, weatherization. So a lot of people need to have their homes insulated for the winter. So it'd be good also to have. So yeah. Those are 3 programs.
Well, that's great. And if somebody wanted to contact you, CAPIC itself, what's the number?
Number is 617-884-6130. My extension is 1134. 617-884-6130, extension 1134.
And I can tell the folks in the audience because we've had CAPIC here many times, and I'm sure in the future you'll be down here again.
Absolutely.
And talking specifically probably weatherization.
Yeah.
So that'll be great.
Yep. The program for the for the fuel assistance starts in November, ends in April, so it's a good time. So I should be back before then, probably September, October, to inform the residents about the program itself.
Well, again, I thank you for coming down here. I know it's your vacation, and it's nice of you to stop by.
Good, thank you.
Okay,
right.
bye now. Thank you, Henry. Hi, I'm here with Jeannine Ellis. She's the director of the Revere Office of Consumer Affairs. How are you today?
I'm very good, and how are you, Steve?
Great, and it's great to have you part of our 2019 Health Awareness Day.
This is a great event. I love coming. I came last year, too.
And I think we have a pretty good crowd. And I want to ask you, Jeannine, how do you help people in the city of Revere, and what's the number they can reach you at?
Okay, first of all, the number you can reach me at is 781-286-8114. We're the Consumer Affairs Office. We work with the Attorney General of Massachusetts. If you have a consumer problem, if you're being scammed, if people are calling on the phone, robocalls, give our office a call and we'll help you. Best we can.
And I know that people aren't aware of this, that she doesn't just work for the city of Revere primarily to help people. You work for a number of communities.
We work for 11 cities, Revere being one of them, but the good thing is we are located in Revere, and our office is right at the rec center, right around the corner. So if you need our help, we're there. 8 in the morning till 5 at night.
Thank you, Jeannine, for being part of this.
All right, thank you for having me.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm here with Barry Olavski, our Shine Counselor for the City of Revere here at the Senior Center. Hi, Barry.
Hi, Steve. How are you?
Very good. Now, Barry is a Shine Counselor. Why don't you tell people what Shine means?
Shine stands for serving the health insurance needs of everyone. Because it used to just be elders, but there's more than just elders who are eligible for Medicare. So, and what I do is people come in, they have a problem, they want to know what to do when they retire, and whatever the situation is, there's always a way to work with it. The counseling is free. Okay, there's never a charge for it. It's unbiased. I'm not selling anything. And I just see my customers all over the place with smiles, so it's pretty good stuff.
Well, I want to let the people know at home, Barry, that you have many, many years' experience as a counselor. And over the last few years, at least since I've been here, maybe longer, you volunteer your time every Monday.
Right.
And Barry takes 4 appointments every Monday from 10 to 2.
Right.
And she really has helped a lot of people. And she is extremely knowledgeable. So if you are interested in setting up an appointment on a Monday with Barry, call the Senior Center at 781-286-8156, and one of the ladies in our administrative office will set up you for an appointment.
Very good.
So thank you for everything you do. It's underappreciated. I know it is.
It's my pleasure, though. If I can help someone, I see someone walk out with a smile on their face, it's definitely worth the time.
Thank you for being part of this. Thank you. Hi, I'm with Brittany Saw. Brittany works out of the Revere Healthy Community Initiatives Department, and she's a market manager. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. So tell us a little about what you're here to represent for Healthy Community Initiatives.
Okay. I'm the market manager of the farmers market this season. Basically, I'm here to give out $20 match cards to seniors and other residents who qualify in the city. The $20 match cards can be used at the farmers market this season only on fruits, vegetables, produce, and other various items that are sold at the market. And yeah, we just want to provide a healthier produce and vegetables and support our local farms.
So the farmers market takes place starting when and through October, right?
Yes, so starting July 12th to October 25th, every Friday, we're going to be open at the American Legion Lawn at 249 Broadway. From July and August, we'll be open from 12 to 6, and on September and October, we're from 2 to 6.
That's great. That's great. So if somebody wanted some information about this, they can contact you at?
Yep. So you can contact us at Revere Farmers Market 781@gmail.com or 781-286-8172.
Thank you, Brittany. Thanks. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, I'm with Ellen Conte. Ellen represents VOXX International. Why don't you tell us about VOXXLife International? Tell us about that.
So VOXXLife is a Canadian-based company. We have wearable neurotech, which is a very precise pattern that is encrypted in the bottom of our socks and insoles that takes a signal to your brain and puts your brain into homeostasis or equilibrium. Therefore, everybody gains about 31% balance and stability, also range of motion if they're wearing our product.
And it's a great product. I know you've been here many times, and people are benefiting from them. That's for sure.
Yeah, so our elderly absolutely love them because what is the elderly population's biggest fear is the fear of falling. So if we can prevent them, our studies show that they're actually 8 times less likely to fall if they have our technology on.
So I know that the product was initially socks, and now you've branched out, right?
Yeah, so we have socks, we have thick insoles. Last summer we got thin insoles. We also have a patch that's worn on the inside of your dominant arm that actually does the same thing to your brain. So it's a great option for summertime.
So if somebody wanted to contact you or wanted you to go provide you, if they wanted you to provide them with some information, how do they contact you?
So I have them contact me directly. We do not have a store. We'll never be in a store. We are a direct marketing company. We are currently only in Canada, the United States. We just turned 3 this month. So they would call me at 617-719-1095. I do a lot of private appointments. I go to people's homes or meet you at a coffee shop or, whatever's convenient for people.
Well, I want to thank you for coming today.
Thank you
it's
for
well
having me.
worthwhile, and we'll have you back again at the Senior Center.
Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate that.
Bye. Hi, I'm here with Dana Fessenden. She's the market specialist for Senior Whole Health, right?
Yes, absolutely. We're out here today helping seniors 65 and older that have Mass Health Standard obtain additional free benefits like $55 to a health club. We give them $100 on a health card every quarter that they can spend for all their necessities at any Walmart or CVS, wherever they go. Rides to and from the doctor's offices, extra benefits for their eyeglasses every year. So like I said, they do need to be 65 or older and have Mass Health Standard, and I'd love to chat with them if they'd like to find out more about it.
And I will say this to anybody out there, if you wanted to call Dana and meet with her, but you had no place to meet, you can come here if you want and meet with them. So I just thought of that as I was talking to you. So why don't you give the number out where they can contact you and get more information, and if they wanted to set an appointment.
That'd be wonderful.
You call Dana to set the appointment, she'll call us and we'll arrange you to have a private space here.
Yep, absolutely. Just give me a call at 617-999-0461.
Well, I want to thank you for being here today.
Thank you.
I hope it's worth your effort and your time.
Great people. I appreciate the time. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Okay. I'm here with Chrissy McKeon, and she is from Mystic Valley Elder Services. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. And what is your title there?
I am the Information and Referral Manager.
And that's very important, people of Revere, because we take a lot of calls, here at the Senior Center, and who do we call in turn to get the answer or direct them to?
So you call Mystic Valley at 781-324-7705, extension 100, and you're going to get one of 5 wonderful ladies who answer our phones. They just happen to be ladies, and they will provide information from snow shoveling to tax preparers to medical equipment, but most importantly, they'll do referrals for options counseling and our home care program.
And just so people at home know, you are our agency of record with the state, and we have a great relationship, and I think that Mystic Valley certainly helps a lot of people in Revere, that's for sure.
That is absolutely true. So know that, like Steve said, throughout the state of Massachusetts, there is an agency that serves each community. So if you have questions, please feel free to give us a call at extension 100, and we'll direct you to where to call.
And what's the number?
781-324-7705, extension 100.
And I think that the health fair is going pretty well today, don't you?
Oh, it's excellent. It's always fun to come here every year.
And I thank you for being part of it, and thank you for all the assistance you give us all year round. I'm here with Lieutenant Aaron Leary from the Fire Department. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you. Glad to be here.
Yeah, and you're also an EMT.
Yep.
And you've been here before.
Yeah, yep. Last year.
Last year, and you also, I believe, came on the Revere Senior News.
Yes, I did. I did.
Yep, and we had so many calls saying how good you were, believe me.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm only kidding. You gonna leave that in? Anyway, I thought that was kind of funny.
No, I did too.
No, seriously, it was very informative. When you came on the show, we did get seniors who did see the show.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good. I'm glad. That's what, we want to reach out to the seniors. We want them to know we're here if they have any questions, need any help.
So part of your outreach is to go to schools and the senior center, et cetera, right?
Yep, so we go to the schools, we teach fire safety. We also have a program for seniors. We can come out and do inspections of the home to help them make their home safer, help against falls, prevent fires, just overall home safety. We have that. They can always call us, set that up. We've also tried, we did it last year, we partnered with the Red Cross to help get smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in the homes of seniors. We hope to be able to do that again. We're kind of looking to do a program from just within our department because we like things done a certain way,
Thank you. I noticed one of the brochures you have at your table is how to prevent falls. So important.
Yes, it's so important. Sometimes you don't think about it. It's just the throw carpets, extension cords. You can have them plugged in, running over carpets. So we just go in and kind of tell you the better way you could set it up to help prevent that.
And when seniors live, by themselves, or and a lot of them do at this point in their life,
yep.
A lot of times, and it's hard for them physically to get up and move something, they'll put it on the floor.
Yes.
Or they'll be sitting down and putting it in a location that really could harm them because they could step on it.
A trip hazard, so we try to help them figure out what trip hazards are in their house and how they, can better place things to make it a little easier for them to get around and stay in their house as long as they can.
Well, I want to thank you again for coming and taking time out to come to this Health Awareness Day.
Oh, thank you. And if anybody needs to reach us in fire prevention, we're always there to answer any questions anyone has. You can reach us at 781-286-8363. We may not answer the phone. We do inspections all day, but just leave a message. I'll always get back to you by the end of the day. So.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
I'm here with the one and only Roseanne Colony. How are you?
Very well, and how are you today, Steve?
Good. Just so people at home know, Roseanne is a very active senior here at the Rossetti-Cowan Senior Center. She's also on the Council on Elder Affairs, right?
Yes, and I love being at the Senior Center, and I love being a member of the Council on Elder Affairs.
So you've been here every year since we've had the Health Awareness Fair, and you find it very beneficial?
I find it very beneficial, very informative, and I'm grateful that you and your staff conduct this fair every year, and kudos to you and also to Camille for creating and doing this work. There's an awful lot of work associated with this preparation for this health care.
Well, I'm glad you mentioned Camille because Camille Lorano is our program coordinator here, and she was very instrumental in organizing and dealing with all the vendors to make sure they came here, make sure what their needs are when they came here. and it's been great having them. I think it's been very successful.
I think it's successful. Initially, when you conducted this fair a couple of years ago, was a great success, and it gets better and better, Steve, every year, because you get more vendors coming every year, and the seniors really love going around to talking to all these vendors. And of course, what they love a lot more is the idea of these vendors giving out all these wonderful little gifts to them.
Well, Roseanne is very much a participant here at the Senior Center, and if you come to the Senior Center and you're interested in becoming a member here at no cost, she will be the one to take you around and give you a nice guided tour.
I might even get you a cup of coffee.
Sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Bye now.
I'm here with Jackie Looney, and Jackie is a very active member of the Rossetti-Cowan Senior Center, right?
Yes, I am.
So what do you think of this health fair today?
I think it's very important that all these seniors have this to know about their health and what to do, ask questions, where to go. I think it's great.
I think this is the 6th year we've had this, and people like it a lot.
Well, to tell you the truth, this is my first time. I don't know why. I never went here before, but I think it's great.
Well, Jackie is a great person to have here at the Senior Center. You help a lot with the bingo. You take care of a lot of people who need assistance during lunch.
Yes, and I don't know what I would do if I didn't have this place. Because 6 years ago, I was retired, and I was just sitting in the house doing nothing, and a friend of mine says, I'm going to give you a call. There's a senior center. Why don't you come down? I says, great. I says, it'll really give me something to do. So I started coming here like now 4 or 5 years, and I love it.
I'm glad you said that, because, you know, a lot of times people are home alone. They're isolated.
Yes.
They don't realize that we have a senior center here. We actually have a shuttle to take them here. And we really want more people to come here. That's the thing.
Exactly. As a matter of fact, I was in Market Basket yesterday, and I seen somebody that used to come here years ago. And I said, you got to come back. I said, you know, I just came from there yesterday, played bingo, had a great time. I said, you got to come back. And the daughter was there, and she says, Ma, I told you, take it from someone who's been there. So I told her she's got to come back.
All right, Jackie. Well, thank you, and appreciate you here every day. Believe me.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
I'm here with Anton Tedesco. Hi, Anton.
Hi there.
I'm glad you came to our Health Awareness Day. What do you think of it?
I wouldn't miss it. It was beautiful.
A lot of information
come in
for
here.
you?
Oh, very much. All the health things you want to do.
A lot of brochures, a lot of information.
Oh, brochures. You get all kinds of information, I would say. And it was very nice to meet all the people here. And I come to the center all the time. And it is very nice to get together with the people. They're very courteous, and it's run very nicely.
Well, we have a special monthly lunch every month, and I know you come down for that. We have great entertainment, and it's only $5. And yes. I know you always sit with the same group of folks.
Yes, we always do, and it's so nice to get out of the house and come down here with nice people.
That's the key, getting out of your house. Now, there's a lot of people, and I've said this before, that are home alone. It's good to get out of the four walls and come down and be with others.
Yes, and I enjoy it very much.
We have a lot of new people that have come here lately, actually.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. So I find a lot of new faces here, and we invite everybody that would like to come down and meet us all and join us with all of these things doing down here.
And we do have a newsletter called Revere Senior Power. It's distributed throughout different retail outlets in the city. We also have a show that I host with Morris called the Revere Senior News, and it's produced and directed by Revere TV, who is actually taping this right now for us. Thank you, Rick Promise. So Revere Senior News kind of summarizes what we're doing for a particular month. We have a lot of programs, services, activities. We have a meal every day that we serve, and people love it, right?
Oh, love it, sure. Very nice. Well, don't miss it. Come down and see us.
All right. Thank you for being a guest here on Revere TV. I'm here with Francine Cataldo. How are you, Francine?
I'm fine. And you?
Very good. Thank you for coming on TV with me.
Thank you for asking me.
So this is the 2019 Health Awareness Day. What do you think of it?
Fantastic.
A lot of information, right?
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah. So I think
more than we need.
Yeah, and there's something for everybody.
Right.
So I think it's been beneficial for seniors that come here.
Absolutely.
We did advertise quite a bit, and I think it showed today.
Yeah, sure did.
And now let me ask you something. As far as the senior center goes, you've been here about a year now?
I think a little longer.
A little longer, right?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. I mean, it gets you out of the house, too.
And you've made a lot of friends, too. Here.
I have, yes. I
And
have.
the nice thing is you don't have to drive here. You take the shuttle here.
I gave up my car. You're right. I don't get
We love having you here. I think where you sit, there's a group of great people.
Yeah.
You participate
All
in
over
everything
the
that we
place,
have
yeah,
here.
I do.
And
Good kind
it's
of
great to have you here. You eat lunch here every day when you're here?
Yeah.
Okay. So other than that, she has a great time here, and she loves the special luncheons we have every month.
Yes.
And the entertainers, right?
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for asking me.
Okay. Hi, I'm here with my good buddy here, Vincenzo Certo. How are you today?
Very good. Yourself?
Very good. You've been coming to the senior center about a year now?
Almost.
Almost a year. Do you like it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What do you like about it?
Oh, yeah. I like about the everything.
Everything?
I have it more relaxed. In my brain, more go out.
Yep.
I have a lot of friends.
Yep. And you never knew about the senior center until you came, right?
No.
So you met a lot of friends since you've been here?
Oh, yeah. With me, all friends.
Yeah. Very
Everything.
good. And you take the shuttle here, the van?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
it gets you here and home, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Where I can go?
Now, how old are you, Vincenzo?
88.
He looks pretty good, doesn't he, folks? And you enjoy coming here?
Sure.
Yep.
Sure.
And it's nice that you have some company during the day.
Oh, yeah.
And,
Over here, yes.
Yep.
At home, I never come.
Yeah. And it's nice to be out of your home by yourself, right?
Yeah, right.
Well, I thank you for being here. We love having you here.
Yeah, what do you say?
You're a troublemaker? That's what you tell me, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I make a trouble with everybody.
He's a real troublemaker, this guy.
I can't say you not. I do.
That's all right. You stay the way you are all the time. We love you.
Yeah, I love it, the joke.
Okay.
I love it, joke.
All right, thank you.
No matter
man.
what.
All right.
I like it, the joke.
Thank
I
you
know
very
some
much.
people don't like it, but
No, we love you. We love you. You're a great guy to have here every day, okay?
I have.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye
thank you.
now. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, as I said in the beginning, my name is Stephen Fielding. I'm the director here at the Senior Center in the Office of Elder Affairs. And in closing, I want to say a couple of thank yous. One in particular to Camille Piccini Cimbelli. She's the program coordinator here at the Revere Rossetti-Cowan Senior Center. She put a lot of work into this. She was able to contact all the vendors, set everything up, and secured all these tables for all this wonderful information. I think seniors enjoyed it today. We were quite busy. Most of the vendors stayed for most of the time that we scheduled. I also want to thank Revere TV for coming. It's wonderful that they're taping us today. I want to put a shout out to both the Revere Journal and the Revere Advocate because they certainly helped promote this as well. And every week they give us continuous coverage about newsworthy events that are happening here at the Revere Senior Center. And lastly, just like I do when we wrap up the Revere Senior News, I want to make a challenge to every senior over 60 years old out there to come down to the Senior Center. Ask for me. I will give you a personal tour. It's just not for old people, okay? It's just not for old people. It's for anyone who's home alone, who needs something to do. We have so many health and exercise classes. We have a jewelry making class. We have a book club. We have a computer club. We have a movie club. We have lunch every day. The menu's awesome. If you can't drive or if you are afraid to meet new people, don't be shy. We'll get you here with our shuttle van. Our shuttle van is very low cost. It's only $1 each way. You come in, you register, and you buy a book of coupons that are worth $1 each, and you get to come to the Senior Center. Please, don't stay home alone. Tell your friends about it. Come on down.